Whether it be modern smartphones and wearable devices, electronic control units in vehicles, critical systems on satellites, avionics, entire aircrafts, and everything in between, all electronic devices and systems have to meet electromagnetic compatibility requirements. This means being immune to electromagnetic interference, or EMI, which can originate from a variety of different sources. High-speed digital electronics can interfere with RF systems, and vice versa, due to overlapping spectrums. Power converters inside vehicles can interfere with AM/FM radio antennas. Natural phenomena such as ESD from the human body and electromagnetic environmental effects such as lightning strikes and EMP result in high-power transient currents in fields, which can cause devices to malfunction or even damage them permanently. Electronic cables are especially susceptible as they can pick up these fields efficiently and conduct noise into critical systems or re-radiate this energy. On the other hand, devices themselves can unintentionally be the sources of interference, generating conducted and radiated emissions for which there are strict regulatory limits defined by the FCC, IEC, ISO, and so forth. Ensuring EMC compliance can be incredibly challenging, but CST provides a unique suite of tools for EMC simulation of all of the above. An intuitive interface with 3D modeling capability combined with tight integration to circuit simulation enables the user to perform 3D EM and circuit co-simulation. Along with this comes a diverse range of solver technologies, sophisticated meshing algorithms, a powerful visualization engine, and project templates as well as post-processing features that have been developed specifically with EMC in mind. There are typically many competing requirements to EMC, such as thermal performance or structural reliability. When products are first tested, they very often fail their EMC specifications, which is why incorporating simulation for EMC into the design process as early as possible has proven to be beneficial to our customers. Not only can simulation be used for co-design and optimization, but it can be used for troubleshooting and exploring mitigation strategies when problems arise. This enables our customers to avoid additional testing, ultimately minimizing costs and accelerating time to market.